Carpio, and in this video we will going to learn and to know who is John Locke is and what is his contribution to the educational system. John Locke is an Iberian emperor's philosopher, and he significantly influenced educational theory, and also he is known for his work Some Thoughts Concerning Education, because he believed that the mind at birth was a tabula rasa, or a blank slate, meaning that knowledge comes from the experiences and sensory interaction with the world. So this view highlights the importance of environment and experiences in shaping a person's understanding. Locke argued that the education should focus more on rational thinking and moral character rather than just memorization. He also emphasized the importance of practical skills, physical health, and manners alongside the intellectual development. And also, Locke promoted that the education should be enjoyable, engaging, and advocating for a discipline and have a freedom in the educational environment. In modern education, John Locke ideas suggest that teaching should be student-centered, where the learners are encouraged to explore, experience, and engage the world around them. Teachers should less about passive receipt of facts and more on the developing skills like critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and creativity. And also, teachers should facilitate learning by providing them rich, varied experiences and create environment where the students are encouraged to question, analyze, and reflect. In terms of content, John Locke would suggest the teaching subjects that are practical and relevant to the real world, like science, moral philosophy, and practical skills, rather than just focusing solely on theoretical and abstract content. But most importantly, education should be individualized and adapt to the needs, interests, and abilities of the learners for fostering a sense of autonomy and curiosity. Again, I'm Grace Joy Carpio, and I hope you learned something. Babu!